clean the table. Thanks for doing that.
Cook.
You want to cook?
Okay.
Okay. Well, let me get my computer so that we can see what our recipe is today. We're going to make some bread. Do you like to eat bread?
Eat bread? Delicious.
It's delicious?
Delicious, yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Can you say hello to everybody?
Yay!
Yay! Today we're going to be cooking some white bread in the bread machine, and Chip has already started his own recipe, which is 3 apples. That is not what's actually going in our recipe. So we're gonna take the apples out, and I want to also point out that all of the apples have bite marks in them because he took 3 apples and ate some of each of them. At least he counted. All right, so Chip, the first thing that we need to do is maybe wipe this out, make sure there's no more apple on it. And we've already washed our hands and we're all set to go. So I'm gonna make sure that this is back in there the right way. We are not going to touch the computer. You ready to measure some flour? All right, let's put our flour over here. And actually, I've got a big measuring cup that we're gonna use to make it a little easier for us. Okay. Grab a spoon out of here. Okay, oh, no, we're not gonna pour it. Here's what we do. We take some with a spoon and we put it in. You wanna try that? Good job. Oh, let's make it so people can see what you're doing. Chip, would you like to spit out your apple? Do you wanna spit your apple? Okay, keep pouring. Now this could take a while because we need 4 cups. So how about if we do this? You want to do it with this one instead? You can get some with that and pour it. Put it in here. Yeah. Ooh, good job. Oh no, almost. There we go. Try again.
Whoa.
You might have been doing better with the spoon. Let's go back to the spoon. Here you go. There we go. And Mommy's just gonna keep going. We need a few more spoonfuls. Is this fun? The slowest flour measuring you've ever seen?
Wow.
Can I help? Oh boy, let's get rid of your apple since you're cooking. Here, give me your apple, spit. It's just what people want to see on video, right? Going. All right, Mommy's gonna do some with this too. Are you tasting it? How does the flour taste? All right, Chip, we've got, here, you can do 1 more spoon. We've got 4 cups of flour. 1 more spoon.
There you go.
All right, now we're going to put it, we're all done with the flour. Now we're going to put the flour into the bread machine. Now the hard part for you is going to be that we can't stir it. No mixing this time. Okay, can you help me put this? Look, you help me put this in here? Yeah? Ooh. All right, now we're just gonna leave it. We're not gonna mix it. All right, next we need 2 tablespoons of sugar. Oh, you're mixing it, all right. And I'm pretty sure that spoon was in your mouth. This will cook out all of the germs, I'm sure. Hey, no hands on the computer. Okay, ready? We're gonna do 2 of these, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Can you put that in? Put it in. Now, I don't want you to mix it. I just want us to pour it. Chipper, try it. Okay, don't touch. We're gonna wait and see what's next. Now we need 1 3/4 teaspoons of salt. Okay, so we're gonna do this one like this. That's 1. Can you pour that in?
Pour it in.
Yep. And 3/4 is about like that. All right. Now we're gonna do, ready? Now we're gonna do some water. Hey, look at Mama. Over here. We're gonna pour some water.
Water.
And you're gonna put the water, actually, let's use this one for the water. Let's do.
What?
Yep.
Water.
Let me see, is that right?
Oh, water.
All right. Oh, no, no, no. Don't mix it. Don't mix it. Okay, ready? I need you to pour the water in. Okay. Ooh.
Water.
Okay, now we're just gonna watch it. We're not gonna do anything to it. And now we need 2 tablespoons of canola oil. So we're gonna pour the oil in, just like we did that water.
Water. Get ready.
This is called oil. Here, you wanna hold this? Okay. I want you to hold it like this. Mommy's gonna pour the oil. And okay, now dump it. 1, and we need 1 more.
2, 8.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now,
Yummy.
all right, let's see. That was 4 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 3/4 teaspoons of salt, 1 1/2 cups of water, and 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Now what we're going to do is put this in the bread machine, and we'll add the yeast to the top of the bread machine, and we'll come back and do another video when you get to see your bread and taste it. Okay. So we've got a crying baby in the background, but we're gonna get our bread that just finished. We're gonna get it out and look and see what it looks like. But it's gonna be really hot, so only Mommy can touch it right now, okay? Yeah, okay, we're gonna do this real quick. Ooh, it looks pretty. So I can get it open. Good idea? What's a good idea? All right, Chip, this is very, 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 very hot. You can't touch, okay? But you can watch. It's very hot, it's ouchy. All right, let's look at that pretty loaf of bread that we made. Do you remember what this morning when we put everything in the pan? Do you remember? Oh, it's very hot. Don't touch. Smell it? Does it smell good? What do you think? Let's turn it over. Oh, that is so pretty. It does smell good, doesn't it? Well, in a little bit, we're going to cut it. And oh, when we cut it, you can have a bite. You can taste it and tell me if it tastes good, okay? Oh, put it on your head, silly goose. goose. It's dirty. You're a silly, silly goose. Spoon. Gorific or delicious? Which one was that? What? All right. Oh, are you ready for the bread? You want to taste the bread? Okay. You want to cut it and taste it? All right, we'll cut it and taste it. Let's see, we need a knife to cut it. Well, we'll see about you trying the knife. All right. Now here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna cut it down the middle. Wanna help me? Yummy. It does look yummy, doesn't it? Ooh, look how pretty that bread is. Does that look so pretty? Now we're not gonna touch all of it because we're actually making this to give to somebody else. But we will cut you a little piece of it. Okay. Okay, now listen, a knife is very sharp, so we have to be careful. All right, you and Mommy can eat this piece. Do you want some butter on it? Oh, just gonna eat it just like that, huh? What do you think? You want some butter? Is it yummy? Did it come out good? Is it yummy bread?
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Whoops, that's a fork. I need a knife.
Okay.
I don't think you can cut it with a spoon, kiddo. Here. Here's a little bit of butter on your bread. Here you go. Take a big bite. Is that good? Mmm. I think that turned out very nice. Yummy, yummy. All right, well, we're gonna turn the video off and we're gonna clean up and cut the rest of our bread. And we have to make some spaghetti noodles. And we just have to get everything ready to take this meal over to our friend's house. Does that sound like a good plan? And we have some salad to go with it too.
Yeah.
All right, all done.